Hello friends, Skoda introduced the Kodiaq in September 2016 as a larger counterpart to the Volkswagen Tiguan before giving the spacious SUV a facelift in April 2021. Fast forward to June 2023, and we are getting our first proper look at its successor ahead of this fall when the official reveal is scheduled to take place. The second-generation model will take the evolutionary approach as there won't be any radical changes in terms of design or specifications. Although the car is technically camouflaged, the disguise is thin enough to basically reveal most of the exterior design. Featuring a recognizable look, the 2024 Kodiaq won't be embracing the modern solid design language that Skoda has teased for its next-generation EVs. The double headlight design reserved for SUVs is still there, flanking a wide corporate grille we're all familiar with by now. Assuming they're real, the prominent vertical air curtains in the front bumper channel the airflow for better aero. The radar sensor is refreshingly small, although we're still waiting for the day when automakers will find a seamless integration. From the profile, the pillars for the mirrors have been moved slightly lower on the doors, presumably for improved aerodynamic efficiency. At 4,758 mm 187.3 inches, the second-gen Kodiaq is 61 mm 2.4 in longer than its predecessor, but the wheelbase has remained intact, at 2,791 mm 110 inches. Moving at the back. It would appear Skoda has designed flatter taillights that are likely wider than what we're allowed to see on this camouflaged pre-production car. The lights presumably extend onto the tailgate, which provides access to a cavernous cargo area. In the 7-seat version, the Kodiaq can swallow anywhere between 340 to 845 liters, depending on whether the seats are folded or not. Go for the 5-seat model and the maximum volume jumps to a whopping 910 liters, up by 75 liters compared to the first-gen model. Interestingly, the rearmost passengers in the 3-row model now have an extra 15 mm of headroom than before. In terms of engines, the 2024 Kodiaq will be offered with a mild hybrid 1.5-liter TSI making 150 horsepower 110 kilowatts channeled to the front wheels via a 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission. Up next is a 2.0 TSI with 204 horsepower 150 kilowatts with AWD and a DSG. On the diesel side, the 2.0 TDI delivers 150 horsepower 110 kilowatts in the FWD model and 193 horsepower 142 kilowatts in the AWD version, with both featuring the same dual-clutch auto. For the first time in a Skoda SUV, the Kodiaq can be had as a plug-in hybrid with a 1.5 TSI and an electric motor for a combined output of 204 horsepower 150 kilowatts transferred to the road through a 6-speed DSG. Thanks to a 25.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the PHEV version will offer a pure electric range exceeding 62 miles 100 kilometers. Once you're out of juice, the battery can be replenished through DC charging at up to 50 kilowatts while AC tops out at 11 kilowatts. In terms of technology, the Czech Tiguan benefits from an evolution of the full LED matrix headlights, a 12.9-inch touchscreen, a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, and a head-up display. There's even a remote parking function available via a smartphone app, along with improved emergency assist and traffic jam assist systems. The adaptive cruise control with stop-go will work at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour 60 km/h. Skoda will take the wraps off the new Kodiaq this fall when it also intends to introduce the next-gen Superb in both liftback and wagon body styles. And that's all for today. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Good luck and see you all.